Welcome back to my series, recovering with trumpet after double hernia operation. So this is day 30, June the 30th, because my op was on the evening of May the 31st. I've already done a warm-up this morning, which is like a little standard warm-up, which involves chromatics and small intervals. So I'm not starting totally cold, but yeah, you can do take out the lead pipe and have a bit of a blow. As I said, I have been playing a good 15-20 minutes with a small break before this film. Now, I'm going to use a mute. Mute's more difficult, more resistance I should say, than playing open. I will play a little bit of open as well, but no. Solid horses. Let's have a look. 1 second. Yes, so mutes offer a little bit more resistance. Alrighty. So I have warmed up 15-20 minutes, small break. I can easily get that much stress up to a G above the line. Let me just slowly see what the intervals are like. A little bit of pressure, but certainly not a tearing sensation. I've got mesh inside me. It's forming, it's a scar tissue, and it was a major repair, mine, a big double hernia. Cuts about that long on either side. So up to high C. Not necessarily thinking about pushing it. So there's an E. But yeah, I'm not feeling that I'm highly straining. I'm certainly don't need to push it to a G6 or anything. But pushing it, not going to push it. It doesn't matter if I can't get it. Here we go. Yeah, it's not a secure G6. I don't care. It's only 30 days after major surgery. Okay, but the other thing is the stamina of the playing. So, playing whole pieces from start to finish. Sort of an F6. That's 30 days. I get tired and I'm not in great top form. Thin tone and upper, not so much power. I've got a couple of shows lined up in about a week and a bit. So I need to be able to have the stamina to last the show and, not strain. So that high F6 have to support from the diaphragm. I'm a bit reluctant to do that. But I'm certainly come a long way, I think, in a couple of weeks. Allegheny. Yeah, not a secure G6, not going to push it. Not going to push too hard with the diaphragm, thin in the upper register, crack notes, not warming up enough, but certainly getting a little bit more confident and some of the range starting to appear again. Just need to do a lot more work. So that's day 30. Big double hernia operation. huge thing for a horn player to come to terms with. And rule of thumb, yeah, you can't do it, you can't push it, and you can't jerk it a bit more from the diaphragm or the intercostal muscles. Not a good idea. Not just blowing out, sighing. There's a little bit of push behind what I did this morning, but yeah. And if I get enough breaks, it can rejuvenate. See, it's not very secure. That mute won't do the low register. So, yeah, slowly coming, day 30. Not medical advice. You have to do what you feel is best. But for those of you that play trumpet professionally, totally worried about it, I can let you know my operation was a huge repair. So a lot of mesh being put in there, a lot of holes dug into me. Day 30, and playing within my limits and slightly getting back on track. And now to show you a little bit of the open playing, the tone. Again, day 30.